Hi everyone and welcome to this lesson. So today I want to start by taking you through the 5 seconds rule. This is a strategy that we use in social media marketing. And as you're aware, we are doing the Facebook marketing and we want to start from the very small things that make a lot of difference in social media marketing. And that is our profiles, and that is where the 5 seconds rule come in. So what this means is that when someone goes into your profile, within 5 seconds of visiting your profile, they need to know what exactly that you offer. You find that sometimes you can go to a Facebook group and you're searching for something, then someone refers or tags someone within the post that you made. And when you go to this person's profile, there's literally nothing that tells you about what this person does. So what do? You are likely not to have confidence engaging with this person. So we want to start by having our profiles speak for us. We want people when they go to our profile, they can tell this is the service that this person offers, or this brand deals with this kind of products. So here is a sample that I just want to take you through briefly. So as you can see, when you come to this profile, you can see here that Anne offers virtual services. Okay. And virtual services is a large niche. So if you go down, you can see from the intro, I support entrepreneurs to successfully run profitable podcast marketing and operations virtually. Then down here under the bio, it clearly says that Anne is a podcast manager and a marketing strategist. Okay, so if you go further to the post that she has done, you can actually tell that she does a lot of podcast management, podcast editing, and so from there you will have confidence to get to know that this lady can offer me the service that I need. She can help me in marketing, she can help me in managing my podcast. So, what you need to do in your profile is make sure that you have the keywords in place, you have the description of what you offer in place, and when someone comes to your profile, they can tell within 3 to 5 seconds what you can offer. Don't worry, this is going to be explained very well. I'm going to do a video that explains everything within our training, and I will take you through even how to design this in Canva, design all this artwork. I'm going to assist you with that, and also how to do a bio and how to incorporate keywords that will help you stand out in social media. See you in the next one.